Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to create this responsive watches website, e-commerce website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The website is also available in dark and light mode, as you can see. So now let's get into it. First, we are in the header section, home, featured, products and new. Then we have a button for light and dark mode, to switch between light and dark mode. Then we have add to cart button, that is the my cart button. Then we have order now, and we also integrated social media names like Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Then we have the featured. You can see as we hover onto it, we can see the button visible, and as we hover on the button, we can see the change in color. Simple hover effect using CSS, and you can see the box shadow around it. Next, the product section. This is our about. Then these are the products. We have an add to cart button, and you can see the box shadow as we hover onto them. And add to cart button, the color will change. Then we are in the testimonial section. You can, by using the Swiper JavaScript library, we have done this. Then the new arrivals, you can see change in background color and the word as we hover onto them. You can see the extension of the card, and you can see the button visibility. Then subscribe to your newsletter. You can mention email here. Then location, contacts, products, and Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram social media icons. And this is the top bar button, so that we can move towards the starting page from any page that is. Then by using this button in the home section, we can switch to dark mode. Definitely try to use darker colors in the or very brighter colors in the dark mode. Like I've used a very whitish color, so it will be more visible or more attractive. You can see similarly. So use darker colors. Don't use light colors. And next, the entire website is responsive. That is, it can be also viewed in mobile version as well as in tab version. So let me show you that. Right, this is the desktop version as you've seen before. Now we will go into the mobile version. This is the mobile version. You can see the menu bar, and in this is the menu bar, home, featured. Then we have products, then new. You can see how they are evenly aligned, and you can see the light and dark mode button here, which is available here. The website is also available in the tab version. Let me show you. This is the tab version. Mobile version, you can see how neatly it is aligned. By using the flex, we have used the flex, and here also very neatly aligned. So the entire website is responsive. That is, it is available in mobile as well as desktop and tab versions. And if you are a creator, if you want to learn web development, definitely try to add as many features as possible, and try to learn how to add light and dark mode, because nowadays it is become one of the most important features in latest modern websites. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. And if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.